So, what is it about images like this and African style or Egyptian style artifacts that were found in the Grand Canyon that have to be covered up? What is it about these kind of images that they can't accept? What does it tell us about true human history? And listen, stick around because I've got a drone video of this site. When I shared this picture, many people commented. Many people said that this can't be real, that this has to be photoshopped, that he had to use artificial intelligence. People suggested, I see right over here where they blended it. But this image is of a real site on the East Coast of the United States of America. And please stick around because for those people who said it wasn't real, you remember that we are the receipts, that we taught you the giants are real. We're teaching you about the Smithsonian, and stick around for this video because we're going to fly over with a drone this area right here. We want you to see that it's real. We want you to see how important it is. So here we go. Let's switch. And now you are flying over the area that you just saw in that picture. What is it about images like this? What do they point to in history that they cannot let you into the Grand Canyon? They will not accept that images like this exist. It was obviously outside of their imagination because they did everything to say that that could not be a real picture. Well, now guess what? Please like this video right now. Please share this video because now you are sharing the evidence of this picture that's been around for over 5 years, that you are now debunking anything they had to say because you are flying over it in a drone video that demonstrates it to you that it's real. And listen, what's important about this is that these images, it's just not about being Egyptian because Sumeria predates Egypt. Here, these images are Sumerian, and we're going to demonstrate to you how the site that you're flying over right now, that they were worshiping Enki. Yes, they were worshiping the serpent god from Sumeria. You wanted to know why they would cover it up? Well, let's dig deeper and deeper into why. Enki was the Lord of Eden. Enki was the god of fresh water. And here we find him right at the bottom of the oldest freshwater system on earth, the Susquehanna River. Here is a site that they worship the serpent. We have thousands of ceremonial fetishes that represent serpents of different types from this site. This is a site where they're worshiping Sumerian gods. In other words, this predates Egypt. This predates Mesopotamia. And that's why they have to cover it up, because another civilization that lived right here, and we're going to show you how this continues into the water, that yes, the civilizations that you're looking for, like Atlantia or Atlantis, depending on the belief system that you follow, well, we're going to teach you how these people are relative to that, because as we're teaching you in this video and in these pictures, we want you to see, we're going to show you some pictures of mounds here. We want you to see that these are irrigation lines, just like in Mesopotamia, like you see here. This picture is from archaeologists from Mesopotamia that demonstrate, based on archaeological record, what life looked like in Mesopotamia. And here you see it right here in America, people. This predates, we have soil data here. We have soil samples that are from 20,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE that prove that that's why they don't want you to know. And that's why they're afraid of these images. That's why they will not let you in the Grand Canyon. So listen, please like this video right now. I need your help. You're not making me famous. What you're doing is speaking for the voice of this ancient civilization site that you flew over. Now, you say you want to visit ancient civilization sites. You say you want to fly over these places. You want to visit these places. Well, in this video, it's demonstrated to you that they're real. We're heading up to Delaware in October. You're welcome to come visit this site with us. Please share. This is Human Origins Revealed. Remember who shared it to you first. We're going to come out with another video that demonstrates that this site has a large, expansive, that you saw in this video, this entire site was fed by a freshwater irrigation system that proves that civilization lived here in North America long before it lived in Mesopotamia. The root of the Great Reset and the big cover-up starts here, and we're going to connect that to the Grand Canyon and all these other things that we're teaching you about. Please come in. Don't just look at my videos. Please remember to like them. Please share them and help enhance and grow the voice of this ancient civilization. Their voice has not been lost. It was just forgotten and covered up. So thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing the future Human Origins Revealed.
A message from our ancestors, Mai. Join the fight. New truth shirts on our TikTok shop.